Welcome to my channel, bro. Red Chakra. If you like this video, bro, be sure to like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel. What I want to talk about in this video is affirmations, right? So, for one, this is an affirmation piece of paper I did based on the day. It's called Good Day Affirmations. On this paper, I basically say today will be a great day and everything that will help out my day. So, affirmations, bro. The word affirm. Affirm means to validate something or confirm something to be like a fact. You know what I mean? It's like basically to confirm something. So affirmations is to confirm something. So spiritual basic or spiritual affirmations or self-awareness affirmations would be like, I am a God. I am beautiful. I am amazing. I am strong. I am unique. Like stuff like that. That's affirmations, dude. So affirmations, it's about it's about it's a ritual. A ritual is like a thing, an act you do for a certain reason, like a ceremony, whatever. So a ritual is rituals every day you do something. Like when you meditate, that's a ritual. You eat healthy, that's a ritual. You know what I mean? You get in nature, that's a ritual. Sun gaze, a ritual. So affirmations is basically a ritual. Is using words. Remember, words are magic spells. Now, it's usually doing it when you meditate. So when you meditate, for one, you need to clear your mind and let go of everything and just be still. Get in this position, line up your chakras, and get in a good position and just be still. And if you're listening to a guided meditation or you saying the words yourself, you want to put on like a frequency or a meditation music to calm your soul. And then you want to say words like you want to say affirmations. You want to say things that will confirm you. Like if you say, I am a God, I am a king, I am beautiful. These words are magic spells. You giving these energies out, or you giving these words out, and it's going back to you, and it's giving you energy. These affirmations give you energy, dude, and it changes your mind because affirmations go to the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is your higher mind, and your subconscious mind is basically your higher self. And when you say I am beautiful, this goes within you and it goes to your subconscious mind, and it will your subconscious mind will take these words and create this reality. So your subconscious mind can work for you or against you. If you're depressed, you say I'm ugly, I'm so lame, I'm trash. You're saying I, and you're defining yourself as what you're saying. So your mind will take in I am ugly. It will take in this I am ugly phrase and it will create a reality. Your subconscious mind will create a reality where you are ugly. You ugly physically, like you getting weaker. You ugly spiritually. You don't have no awareness of yourself. You're not growing spiritually. You just ugly in every aspect of life, and everybody sees you as ugly. And people don't like you. People just naturally don't get a good vibe from you because they know that you're ugly within. And this happened to me. I promise you. So my mind was used against me at a point in my life, but I made it work for me. Your subconscious mind is the most important mind because you can create your reality based off your subconscious mind. So if you say you're beautiful and you're amazing, your subconscious mind will get this phrase and create a reality where you're amazing in every aspect of life. So it's important to do affirmations and positive affirmations because your subconscious mind will create a reality based on these words that you define yourself as. So that's why affirmations are so important because you're saying words which hold energy and you're giving this energy to yourself. You're giving yourself energy and you're creating a reality based on how you feel. You know what I mean? How you feel. So your heart plays a major role in this because we feel emotions through the heart. So like young Pharaoh say, the heart is the most important chakra. Well, that's what he believed. So the heart is very important because you could change your reality based on how you feel. So if you start learning about yourself, you start discovering who you are, you could change your heart and change your mind and you would change your reality. You would change who you are. That's why affirmations are important because words have energy and you could build a reality based off of words. That's what we do anyway. We build this reality based off words. So it's all about how you feel within. So change up how you feel within. Do affirmations. You will create a reality based on your words and based on these affirmations. Affirmations help, bro. I want to tell you that. You can do a guided meditation where people or guided affirmations when they tell you you are amazing, you are a God. Like bro, words help, bro. Words are powerful. They're spells. So your mind will create a reality based on what you say. That's why it's important. So word, and that's why your words are important, because your mind creates a reality based on your words. So and it's based on how you feel. So get in the meditation state, clear your mind, release everything, and just say all, and like it could be anything you say. All negative energy is gone, or you say, I will, or you, if you get in a meditation state, you say, clean, or you tell your body, clean my body of negative energy and become positive. Tell your body to convert negative energy to positivity, and it will literally do that. Your words can tell your words will tell your mind what to do, bro. Your words will give commands to the body to what to do. This is why you're in control of the body. The body is not in control of you. This is why you are the soul inside of a vehicle. Your soul controls the body. So if you sit here and say, turn negative energy to positive energy, it will literally do that, bro. I can tell you firsthand. It did that, and it made me more positive, and it helped me, and it uplifted me because I told my body what to do. You are in control of your body. I told my body what to do, and it created a reality that I wanted, that I am clean of negative energy. You can literally just use your mind, bro. It's all about your mind, and use your words the right way, and do affirmations. Now, affirmations is about I am, stuff like that. And you define yourself as what you think, and your mind will create a reality based on that. I am a God. I am beautiful. And I don't, bro, how many times I gotta say this? I built a reality where I am that. I believe I am a God. I became a God physically, like my nigga. I became strong. I became a God mentally. You see how smart I am? I become a God mentally. I become a God spiritually. I became a God financially. I'm not rich, but I'm better than what I used to be. I'm awareness of the past. I'm better financially now. Bro, I'm a God emotionally. I can control my emotions better than I used to. And I've always had self control basically, but it's just about use your words, bro. Use affirmations. Affirmations define you, because to affirm is to confirm. So affirmations is confirming who you are. So you want to see yourself as a great entity. You want to see yourself as powerful, because you will create a reality based on that. And you will change your life. Affirmations can change your life, because it'll help you realize who you really are, bro. You got to tap into these higher consciousness, these higher wisdom. Tap into tap into your all-seeing eye. The Illuminati use that symbol to keep you scared of it. For Black people. So you want to just have an awareness, and line up your root chakra, so you can learn about yourself and build up your spiritual energy, and you'll become strong, bro. Do affirmations. Look up affirmations. Do affirmations on YouTube. Affirmation meditation, guided meditation. And they're going to tell you things that you want to hear, because it's going to help your reality. So do affirmations, bro. Be a good person. Use your words for positivity. Don't use your words to hurt people, because words hold energy, and they're magic spells. They're magic. It's a form of magic. So use your words for the better of humanity. If people was not talking shit about you and trying to hurt you, like if somebody trying to diss on you, you can say what you want back. I'm not telling you how to react. I'm telling you should react positively, but I'm not really telling you how to react. But be a good person. Use affirmations to your advantage, and become a better version of yourself. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel, grow spiritually. Thank